This video highlights the skills needed by AGOV first-level support staff. First-level support can be effectively provided by accompanying the person seeking help on the phone. Let's listen to an example. Office for Cucumber Farming Support Unit, hello, how can we help you?
Hello, AGOV isn't working for me.
What would you like to do with AGOV? Which application do you want to log into?
I need to order a cucumber growing permit online.
Okay. I suggest we do this step by step together on the phone. Are you in front of your screen and are you connected to the internet?
Yes, Google is open on the screen.
So on your computer, not on your smartphone. Is that right?
Yes, on my notebook.
Very good. At the top of your browser, you will see the bar where you can enter web addresses. There, please enter www.gurkenzucht.ch.
Okay, 1 second. Oh, there is an error message saying that the page does not exist.
What is the exact web address you entered?
www, then dot, then Gurken, then a hyphen, then Zucht, then .ch.
Ah, I see. You don't need the hyphen. Please enter the web address without it.
Right. Good. Now I see the cucumber growing page. I'm about to click on Login.
And now you can see the purple AGOV login page.
Yes, there's a QR code. I'll scan it with my iPhone now, I guess. Oh, there's a message, no processable data found.
It sounds like you scanned the QR code with the camera app on your iPhone. I'm afraid that doesn't work. Do you have the AGOV Access app on your iPhone?
I don't know.
Okay, then go to the home screen on your iPhone where you can see all your apps.
Okay, I'm there.
Now put your finger on the middle of the screen and swipe down.
Oh, now there are serious suggestions. I've never been here before.
That's the right place. Now you can see the keyboard at the bottom and above it an input field where it says Search. There you enter the word AGOV, A-G-O-V.
Now I can see various apps. Agroscope. Oh, yes, here, AGOV Access.
Very good. Open AGOV Access. Click on Scan QR Code and hold the camera over the QR code on your screen like you did before.
Oh, now I'm in. That was amazingly easy.
So you can now order the cucumber growing permit online. You should be able to see the Permits tab.
Yes, I see that.
Very good. There you go. Is there anything else we can help you with?
Yes, one more question. Why is everything purple in AGOV?
AGOV is an initiative of Digital Public Services Switzerland, part of the Federal Administration, and has its own purple design.
Okay, all right. It kind of reminds me of my bank, but never mind. Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a nice day. Fortunately, in this example, the AGOV Access app was already installed on the user's smartphone. Otherwise, the support person would have had to accompany the user to the App Store. This might even have involved a password reset in the App Store. From the example we heard, we can conclude the following. First, support staff need not only sound AGOV knowledge in all AGOV forms, including identity verification via video identification and BMID, but also knowledge of how to operate smartphones, i.e. iOS and Android. Second, support staff must adopt an interviewing technique that allows them to isolate the problem and identify its causes, taking into account the fact that clients use different terminology and do not always express themselves precisely. Third, support staff must use simple language and give precise instructions. In the example, we heard how precise instructions helped to locate the AGOV Access app on the user's smartphone. Fourth, generic advice is often not enough to solve problems. In these cases, step-by-step guidance for those seeking help is needed, as was given in the example. Support staff are an important interface between citizens and e-government, and part of the e-government business card. They play a central role in contributing to an inclusive Swiss e-government.